I'm at the entrance to the gun range. Where is it? You want me to take a look? It's directly across 39 is the Lake Forest Road entrance.